Okay, third graders, I want to show you how to create your recorder karate book in Book Creator. So first thing you should do is open Book Creator, and you'll see I already made a recorder karate book, but I'm going to make a new one just so I can show you step by step what to do. So first thing you want to do is select New Book, and you want to choose Landscape. Of course, first thing you get is your cover page. And how about if you hit the plus sign and let's add some text. And first of all, we're going to put in that it is our recorder karate songs. Hit done. And now you'll see that you have it there. You can move it. I like to center it. You can make it a bigger size and do all that stuff a little later. For now, I'm going to move on. After that, I'm going to hit the arrow, and you'll see that I have pages here. Page 3. I'm going to hit the plus sign, and I'm going to add 9 pages for the 9 karate songs, and 1 more page that you're going to use for a video. So there'll be a total of 10 pages for your book. Okay, now let's go back to page number 2. And for now, let's go out of Book Creator and let's go into Schoology. And you guys already know, Orange Learner folder. Normally we would go into the green Go folder, but not for the recorder karate songs. The recorder karate songs are in the red Stop folder. So hit the red Stop folder and you'll see I have 9 songs from the white belt song all the way down to the black belt song. And the very first thing I have is a link to a video. That's what you're going to put on page 2. So click the link, how to read and play BAG notes. And we're going to put this video in our book on page 2. So what you'll do is copy the link. Says it's copied to the clipboard. It means it's holding it for you. Now we need to go back to Book Creator. Hit the plus sign. Go down to the bottom where the 3 dots are, where it says More. We're going to hit Web Embed. And you'll see that you may see that something comes up already. That's an old video that maybe you've already put in. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that last part of it, erase that old link that's there, and now hold your finger down and paste your new link. Hit next, and now it will put your new link here. You want to go ahead and hit done, and now you can drag the corners a little bit, make it a little bit bigger so you can see it well, center it on the page, and now you have your video for how to play the BAG notes. Now, on page 3 and all the rest of the pages, here's where we're going to put our recorder karate songs. So, back to Schoology. Let's go back to the songs, and you're just going to repeat this same process. Click on the white belt song. You'll see the song should come up. In the top corner, hit the share arrow. And we want to share this to Book Creator. So this is going to be the white belt song. So hit the plus sign, add your text, name it white belt song. We'll put that at the top. Then you'll hit your plus sign. We want to add photos. And now look through your photos to the white belt song, choose the white belt song, and there it is. Then just center everything on your page. Again, you can change the colors and things like that if you'd like. You can change the background color just by hitting the info. You can change the background color if you like that. Then go on to the next page, do the same thing. Add your text. This is going to be your yellow belt song. And you'll notice that once you make your text size, it will keep it the same size for you. Plus sign, photos, look for your yellow belt song, center it on your page. Keep going through the same process until you get all of your songs on each page. That's it.